In today's video, I will show you exactly how you can start earning some Bitcoin with your mobile phone. I will show you exactly how it's done, step by step. So if you want to start accumulating Bitcoin the easy way, make sure to press the like button and subscribe to the channel, and let's jump straight into it. Bitcoin has been on the rise and a lot of people are cashing in and they're making life-changing money. So if you are tired of sitting on the sidelines and not getting in on the action, this is your opportunity. So the app that I'll be using to mine Bitcoin is called Go Mining. Go Mining is a platform that allows you to earn Bitcoin every single day by buying their NFT miners. So to make it very simple, Go Mining has buildings full of actual ASIC miners that mine Bitcoin every single day. And what they do is that they allow you to buy power from those miners using NFTs. So you buy an NFT, you get a percentage of the power of those miners, and then you end up earning a percentage of the payout. So if you spend like $25 and you buy an NFT miner on the platform, you'll be earning Bitcoin every single day. You'll be getting a cut of an actual miner's profit. The reason I'm a huge fan of this app is because you are able to get daily Bitcoin payouts without having to invest tens of thousands of dollars into buying big machines. You don't have to spend thousands of dollars every single month on electricity. Literally, they make it super easy and super user friendly to literally get those Bitcoin payouts daily. Best of all, they are fully transparent. You can literally watch live streams of their miners mining away, and everything is verifiable on the blockchain. The team is fully transparent. They have multiple locations all across the globe. And now let me show you exactly how it's done. The first thing that you gotta do is download the Go Mining app. I will have a link for it in the description box below. This works on iPhones, Android phones, pretty much all the phones. So once you download the app, you're going to open it up. Once you open up the app and you create your account, your dashboard is going to look something like this. As you can see, you'll be able to see all the miners that you have that are earning you Bitcoin every single day. If you use the link in the description box below, you are going to get a bonus miner, which will allow you to earn Bitcoin for 5 days absolutely free. So in your dashboard, you are going to see a couple of things. First off, you are going to see your power. As you can see right now, I have 41.87 terahashes. The more power you have, the more Bitcoin you are going to earn every single day. Second is your efficiency. Right now, mine is at 19.47. The lower the efficiency, the better. This pretty much means that you are going to keep more of the Bitcoin that you mine instead of spending it on fees and electricity. So the lower the efficiency, the better. Third is your discount. You get your discount by logging into the app every day and getting Go Mining tokens. So when we scroll down, you are going to see that I have a couple of different miners. Each miner has a different power rating and it mines a different amount of Bitcoin. So once you create your account, you are going to have two options. Option number one is to create your own miner, or option number two is to buy one on the marketplace. And I'm going to show you exactly how to do both. So if you want to create your own miner, simply press create a miner. You are going to see this screen. This is where you are going to see a lot of valuable information. First off, your power. This is how many terahashes you are going to get with your miner. The more terahashes you get, the more Bitcoin you are going to mine every single day. As you can see, you can select 1 terahash, 2 terahash, 8 terahashes. It goes all the way up to 5,000 terahashes. Obviously, 5,000 terahashes will cost you a decent amount of money. But let's start off with the basic miner. You're going to get 1 terahash, and that will cost you roughly $26.99. But underneath it, you are going to see the efficiency. Like I said earlier, the more efficient your miner, the better. As you can see, if you select 20 efficiency, your miner will cost you $26.99. But if you press 15 efficiency, your miner will come out to $32.99. But you are going to be earning slightly more every single day in profit. In my opinion, it is always better to go with 15 efficiency, simply because in the long term, it will pay for itself much faster. And right below that, you are going to see the full breakdown of that miner, how much money it will make you daily, monthly, and yearly. Also the ROI. This is all the information that you'll be able to see before you end up creating your miner. As you can see right now, everything is checking out. If we purchase this miner, we are going to be making $1.10 worth of Bitcoin every single month. Obviously, $1.10 is not life-changing money. You're not going to become rich earning $1.10 a month. But this is just the beginning. You'll be able to upgrade your miners, like I'm going to show you here in a second, to earn even more. Or you can simply continue to create more miners. Just imagine if every week or every month you end up creating a miner, you end up scaling it higher and higher and earning more Bitcoin every single day. This is definitely a long-term play. So once you are satisfied with the amount of power that you want and the amount of Bitcoin that you'll be earning every single day, you can select pay. But they have a ton of different ways to pay for your miner. First off, you can use Apple Pay, you can use your Visa card, your debit card, your credit card, Google Pay, or you can use crypto, USDT, USDC, stable coins, Solana, Binance, Coinbase. Literally, they have a ton of different options. So simply select the option, make your payment, and your miner will appear in your account. So as you can see, I have multiple miners. The other option is to simply buy a miner on the marketplace. So when we press on the marketplace tab, you are going to see that they have 3,477 miners for sale. So you can sort them by the lowest price. This will show you the cheapest miners, or you can sort it. As you can see, this one right here is pretty good price. It's only $27. Or you can sort them by the ROI. You can sort them by the highest price, whichever one you want. But this is another place where you can buy a miner to earn Bitcoin daily. So make sure to look at both. If it is cheaper to buy one in the marketplace, buy one in the marketplace. If it is cheaper to create one, create one. The goal is to get one miner that you can continuously upgrade so it can earn you more Bitcoin. And now let's go back to the main dashboard. So now that we have established that once you create your account, your next step is to get a miner. You can create one or buy one in the marketplace. Once you have a miner, you can literally leave it as is and accumulate Bitcoin every single day and then cash your Bitcoin out. Or you can continue to upgrade your miner so you can earn even more Bitcoin. And that is my plan. That is my strategy. I want to upgrade my miners until I'm making like $5 a day or $10 a day or $50 a day worth of Bitcoin. And I will continue to do so until I reach that goal. All right, so in my account, we are going to select this first miner and we are going to press upgrade. As you can see, you can do a simple upgrade for $39.99 and that will get me a couple more terahashes. But I will be doing the $99.99 upgrade. If you press the down arrow, you are going to see the full breakdown. This will earn me an extra 164 Satoshis or an equivalent of extra 12 cents worth of Bitcoin every single day. And the ROI is 43.62%. So we are going to press all methods and I'll be using some Go mining tokens in order to purchase this miner. As you can see, it will cost me 208 tokens. I will press pay. I will press confirm, and within a matter of couple of seconds, the miner will be upgraded. As you can see right now, the miner is at 16.27 terahashes. Not bad at all. Our overall power is 45.18. With these upgrades that I have done so far, right now, I'm making $2.35 worth of Bitcoin every single day. I'm getting closer and closer to that $5 mark, so stay tuned for the future videos when I reach that goal. One thing that I do want to mention, you can scale this up big time and earn even more Bitcoin by simply using the auto reinvest option. With this option, instead of receiving Bitcoin straight to your wallet every single day, all the profits that you make will be automatically reinvested invested in order to gain more power, more terahashes. So you can have this option set for 5 days, 30 days, however long you want, and then accumulate more power. Then you'll be earning more Bitcoin every single day. I do have a full video explaining this in the description box below, so make sure to check that video out. Also, if you press on rewards on the very top, you'll be able to see my daily payouts. As you can see, every single day, like clockwork, I am earning some Bitcoin. That is one other feature that I love about Go Mining, is that they pay every single day. So that is how simple and easy it is to start mining Bitcoin on your phone. It is a great way to generate some passive income, generate some daily payouts, and start accumulating Bitcoin. Also, if you want an amazing cold storage wallet where you can stack your Bitcoin and your other tokens and keep them safe, definitely check out the Trezor's Safe 5. I do have a link for that in the description box below. You want to keep your crypto safe, take it off the exchanges, put it in cold storage, and get yourself a Trezor's Safe 5. All right, everybody, that concludes this quick video. Let me know how much Bitcoin you're earning daily in the comment section below. Subscribe, smash the like button. See you in the next video. Peace out.